How to contact Amazon customer service. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. In the search bar, search for Amazon customer service. Move into the very first site. It will land you on this interface. Over here, different categories and topics will be visible to you. You need to search for your topic in which you are having some issues. So let's say you want to cancel items or order. Tap on this option. Well, in this page, it will show you all the steps on how to cancel items or order. You need to carefully read all of these steps, and you might get some help from these. Now, what else you can do in order to contact Amazon customer service is, first of all, go back to your previous page, and then tap on the second option. Here, you'll find the Amazon customer service phone numbers. You can directly call this number and explain the issue that you have been facing on Amazon. And within some period of time, it will definitely come up with some solution for you, and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was our tutorial video on how to contact Amazon customer service. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.